Hello, this is Eli at SafeNet talking about envelope of .NET files. So in order to work with the envelope, we can invoke it from the Sentinel LDK vendor suite from here, and then the envelope loads up. Now, first thing as usual is to enter the executable or the DLL that we want to protect. So we might do it either by dragging the file, the executable or the DLL into this envelope, or by choosing the choose which is the executable DLL that you want. It goes oftenly directly to a place where we have samples that are provided as part of the LDK. I will go to .NET bounce.exe, which of course is a .NET file, and here it is. Now, as usual, if we go to click on the executable itself, then we get all the parameters that are referring to this executable. The input file was chosen accordingly, and now the output file is where the file which is protected is going to reside. I will choose it under the desktop, and maybe I will change the name just to make sure that I can notice that it is a protected one, just by adding protected to the file name. Then I can choose other things like feature ID. As we said, feature ID is which feature ID is going to be checked for, verified once the enveloped application works. And this is usual, but what I wanted to show you now is the fact that over here, since it's a .NET, I have also, in addition to this feature that can be chosen, I can also choose here, looking at the list of what are the methods and the classes that I have. And for each class and method, I can, for instance, there is a, let's say, the main here over here. If I click on the main, which is the method main of the program, then I can choose also for this specific main method, which is the feature ID that I want to be verified each time this main. Of course, the main is invoked only once, but for every function, for every method, which feature ID is going to be verified by the envelope application. If I choose the global, it means that the very same one that I've chosen before. But I can choose, for instance, that feature number 11 is going to be verified each time the main is invoked. And frequency, is it going to be once per program or maybe every time I invoke this function? Also, I have obfuscation, which means that I will not be able to see what is the code over there, because in .NET the code is relatively simply to be verified and noticed. So this allows you to make other things that are very specific to .NET. Also, there is, if you use strong name key in .NET, so you can choose here the strong name key file to be using in order to protect. This is in general, in basic, about .NET protection. Thank you for watching.